Hey, what's going on, folks? Good afternoon. This is the S Group Daily Review video number 67 here. I wanted to make this 5-minute review video, not for my earnings today, but for some commissions I made. One of my team members underneath me, he made a $2,280 investment. And for any new investment that comes in, I make 5%. So off of him today, as you see here, it says referral bonus received. I made $196.29, guys, on the money he invested. So that basically got added to the top here in my referral bonus money, which is $255.64. He also did mention to me as well he's going to be doing another investment tomorrow. I think that's the last one that he's going to let it ride for a while. So that's pretty exciting. So, with that being said, if we go over the careers page, guys, I know I didn't really touch on this in the last few videos, so kind of want to go over this here. So this is the amount of bonus money I've received in the system, $852.83 since I started doing team building. This down below here, guys, shows how much money, or sorry, first of all, how much team members I have underneath me. So I have, sorry for the autofocus here, guys. I have 10 people here signed up underneath me. So of those 10 people, 5 people have invested money, which is pretty decent, 50%. There's other team guys out there. I see their videos. Even my sponsor, it's about 1 in every 5 people that sign up have invested money. So that's pretty decent. With that being said, the guy that invested, his name on the his user ID is Mr. Smith, Mr. Smith here. As you see, he's now at $3,312. This SW, well, I don't know why sorry about the refocusing, guys here. But the SWCT is that's just their own currency, which is it's 1-to-1 to US dollars, so it's pretty much all the same. But yeah, this is my team here, guys, that I have. My biggest investor is my buddy here, Edson. He's over 6,243, so he's cruising along. Another buddy of mine, a couple other buddies of mine, just over 500, so they're moving along as well. So as you see, guys, here I'm at the 9% bonus level. So any new team members that come in, I get 9%. I'm going to be going over to 10%, 10.5% rather, and receiving a bonus here of $1,000 here, which will be pretty sweet. So I have that to be excited for. My current team, actually left for team turnover rather, is $16,217. So I do have quite a ways to go here, guys, which is, yeah, it says here, team turnover amount, $8,782.39. So that won't be for a while, but I'm still trying to grow my team, guys. So if you guys are interested in this fun to earn money passive making opportunity, click on the sign up link down below in the description. You can join my team. And yeah, I'll walk you through everything, guys, how to get your account funded, how to grow your account so you can start earning money in S Group. To give you guys a little background here, in my S Group account I've had for just under 2 years now. I just got to go to the Forex here. As you see here, guys, my all-time earnings is $13,363.90. That's how much money I've made in just under 2 years. And this is my monthly so far, $327.54. So I have all that together and combined. So I have that plus the $255 I have up here, guys. So I have a good chunk of change in here. So things are looking pretty well. Gonna do a withdrawal and reinvest on Friday. Today is Sunday. It's the beginning of the week. So let you know my progress as things carry along. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do this quick video and show the commission that I made today on one of my members' investment. So $196 and change, guys, I made here. So yeah, guys, so I'm kind of getting towards the end of my 5-minute review videos. I like to keep them short and sweet, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and that way you can see all the new videos and updates as the days and weeks go by. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below, guys. You can sign up and join my team. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.